Talk about getting parameter data out of Creo Parametric and writing it to Excel. This works for models and drawings, so parts, assemblies, or drawings. And the beauty about this is that it is very, very simple to do. So you can actually come in and just say parameter get. By default, it'll assume the active model, but you could specify a specific model in here if you want to. And then the parameter name you're interested in, and then where do you want to write it. So I'm going to create a new uh, worksheet here, and we'll use this name as the target that we want to write to. We'll put that at B5. So for the active model, I'm just gonna, as you can see over here at Creo, we have description kind of listed as a column title here. So I'll put in description, and we'll just say go ahead and run this. And this is going to obviously connect to Creo and then write that data out to our new sheet. And sure enough, it says that speaker. So if we change this in here, say speaker ASY, press the do it button, and you can see that we actually are capturing the value that's there. If you want to go to a specific model, you could do that very easily. So if you say basket.prt and run that, it should just return a description of basket. Of course, if we change this in Creo I and run that, we will get that information back over to Excel also. So that's basically how that function works. It's super easy to use, and you can, of course, combine these and put them in different ways and get multiple values out. One thing I will tell you though is that there is a table variation on this function that allows you to write the data to a native Excel table. So it will report the item name that you're dealing with, the root of it, the parameter name value, the type, and also whether it's designated or not, all in a single table within Excel. So the get function is good for doing kind of interactive, kind of logic related things. The table function is a little bit more sophisticated. So we recommend you look at both.